Welcome to the video, Screen Buster here. Today we're on a list for Fridays, so let's get started. On our way.
This is the train to Paddington.
Southeastern train there.
Woolwich. Change for DLR and National
I did
Rail
wait for a
Services.
few days for the line to open so I can calm down because I don't want to go to the day it opens or be too packed.
That doesn't look right. Speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it.
See it, wait.
See it, say it, sorted.
Well, this we're flying as you see. It is a really nice train. There's the train depot. You see it's now gone into the tunnel. Really dark through here, guys. So I'll probably just show the train instead. These stations will be light during, guys. Just walking through the train, exploring how this brand. You can smell the brand new smell of this train. This train is quite nice. This is brand new and everything. But yeah. This train is sponsored run by Crossrail, and yeah, I think this is the priority seat, the normal seat, and yeah, if you want to see the train map, here it is. I'll probably show you guys Woolwich train station. Woolwich station here, very nice station. Woolwich.
This is the train to Paddington. Next station, Custom House. Change for DLR.
The train is luckily empty. At least it's not packed. That's fine. So after people finish work, even if it's half term for schools, people are still at work. And yeah. I just like this for flying. This is quite nice, guys. Even if it's a short line at the moment, since all the stations aren't open. Soon we're going to be going past this a station what's not even being made. I mean, it's still getting made. I don't even know if I'm going to hit this for flying there, but yeah, maybe we will. This is an outside station, as you see. Really nice. Actually, an outside station. If I lived here, I would film the list for flying all the time. But unfortunately, I don't. I don't even know what side the train station is. I want to show you guys this train station. I think it's on the other side. I think the train station might be underground, I don't know. Yeah, it probably is. I don't know. We'll have to wait. I think it's probably this side. I bet. Don't say it will, but yeah, it might. The station's quite quiet for a new line. Nice comfy seats. The seats are really comfy in the train. It's outside.
Next station, Custom House.
If it's on, I'll try and guess what side the station is to show you guys this train station. I feel like it's on this side. Oh, it's on the other side. Yeah, guys, on the other side. I'm not really used to doing this. That's why. If the list of was old, I would know what side.
This is the train to Paddington. Change for Jubilee and DLR.
train's going quite fast. Here's Prophecy. Really nice. I think every Elizabeth line train has 9 coaches. This will be a good improvement to London, guys, if you agree. One of the train doors. We're going to give you a tour of the Canary Wharf train station. We're now getting off. This is Canary Wharf station. There's that Elizabeth line train. Let's just try and get it. Where's that one leaving? Guys, this is a fresh smell of a new train station. It's just a fresh smell of a new train station. Side, that's on Canary Wharf. Even the exit is yellow, guys, but there's that R1, the train I was on, leaving. Look at that going. Going up the yellow escalator was really nice as well. This line, that's like the fresh smell of this train. I mean, aka this train station. Yellow escalator, and here's the top. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.